How to fix Forza Horizon 6 not loading or opening. First, you want to open up your computer search. You will search for graphics settings. Click on this option. Now here we'll add desktop app. So here you just want to find Forza Horizon 6 and add it to the list. Once you add it, it is going to appear here. And we just want to click on it to expand it. And we will set the GPU preference from let Windows decide to high performance. And also you need to disable this option if it's toggled on. Optimizations for Windows games, you will uncheck this. If you have hardware acceleration at the top, make sure you uncheck that option as well. I don't have it, so I needn't worry about it. Okay, so the next step is going to be opening up Steam and finding Forza Horizon 6. We're just going to pretend like this game is Forza Horizon 6. You will right click properties and then you want to go into installed files and verify the integrity of the game files. Once you have done this as well, see if it fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, the very last thing is going to be checking your drivers. So open up either AMD Adrenalin or the NVIDIA software GeForce Experience and you want to click on manage updates. And then if you see any updates here for your software or the chipset drivers, you just want to update them and restart your PC afterwards. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time.